Hello viewers, are you experiencing ChatGPT image create loading problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, find ChatGPT apps and then long press on ChatGPT apps. Open ChatGPT app info, click on I button or app info. Scroll down, click on storage option, click on clear cache, go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store, click on search app and search ChatGPT. Update your ChatGPT apps in latest version. After completing update process, now go to ChatGPT and check your problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, then open ChatGPT apps. Now click on two line icon and then click on profile icon. Scroll down, go to report bug option. Here describe your issue in details. After describe your issue, now send your report. Just click on send option. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.